6 not installing error code 0x80070005 on Xbox app Microsoft Store, Windows 11, 10. 1. Restart your PC and try again. Save all work, restart your computer, open Xbox app or Microsoft Store again. Try installing the game. Run Xbox app as administrator. Close Xbox app completely. Right-click Xbox app, select Run as administrator. Try downloading again. Number 3, reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type WS reset, press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen. Retry installation. 4. Repair Xbox app. Open Settings. Go to Apps, Installed Apps. Find Xbox app. Click Advanced Options. Select Repair. Launch app again. 5. Repair Microsoft Store. Open Set Apps. Find Microsoft Store. Open Advanced Options. Click Repair. Restart PC. 6. Sign out and sign back in. Open Xbox app. Sign out of Microsoft account. Restart PC. Sign back into Xbox app. Try installing again. 7. Check Windows Update. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Install all updates. Restart system. 8. Enable gaming services. Press Windows R, type services.msc, find gaming services, make sure it is running, restart the service if needed. 9. Reinstall gaming services, open PowerShell as administrator, run get appx package, Microsoft.gaming services, remove appx package, all users, restart PC. Open Microsoft Store, reinstall gaming services. Number 10. Change install drive permissions. Open File Explorer, right-click Install Drive. Open Properties, Security, give full control permissions, apply changes, retry installation.